From cane to crystal, inside a sugar factory, asterisk sugar is one of the most widely used food ingredients in the world. It sweetens our tea, flavors our desserts, and fuels many industries. Yet, very few people truly understand where sugar comes from or how it is made. Behind every grain of sugar lies a long and carefully controlled industrial journey. A journey that begins far away from our kitchens, in green fields under the open sky. Today, we take you inside a sugar factory to witness the transformation of raw sugarcane into the white crystals we use every day. This is not just a manufacturing process. It is a story of agriculture, engineering, labor, and precision. This is the journey from cane to crystal. The story of sugar begins with sugarcane, a tall, grass-like crop that thrives in warm climates. Sugarcane requires months of careful farming. Farmers prepare the soil, plant the cane, irrigate the fields, and protect the crop from pests and disease. As the cane matures, it stores natural sucrose inside its thick stalks. This stored sweetness is what makes sugar production possible. When the cane reaches full maturity, it is harvested quickly. Freshness is critical. The sooner the cane reaches the factory, the higher the sugar recovery. This is why sugar factories are often built close to farming areas. Once harvested, sugarcane is transported using tractors, trucks, and sometimes traditional carts. Every load represents months of hard work by farmers. At the factory gate, each vehicle is carefully weighed. The weight and quality of the cane determine farmer payments and help the factory plan production efficiency. After inspection, the cane moves forward toward the heart of the sugar factory. Inside the factory, powerful crushing machines take over. Massive steel rollers press the sugarcane with immense force. As the cane is crushed, sweet juice flows out. This juice contains natural sugar, water, and small impurities. What remains after extraction is known as bagasse. Bagasse is not waste. It is often reused as fuel to generate steam and electricity for the factory itself. This makes sugar factories partially energy self-sufficient. The extracted juice is not yet ready for crystallization. It contains soil particles, fibers, and other impurities. To clean the juice, it is treated with lime and heated. This causes unwanted particles to separate and settle. The clarified juice becomes cleaner and clearer. Purification ensures the sugar produced is safe, clean, and consistent in quality. This stage is essential for producing food-grade sugar. Next, the purified juice enters large evaporator vessels. Here, heat removes excess water from the liquid. As water evaporates, the juice thickens into a heavy syrup. This concentrated syrup contains a much higher sugar content. Careful temperature, Control prevents burning or discoloration. The process requires constant monitoring by skilled operators. The thick syrup is transferred to crystallization tanks inside these vessels. Conditions are carefully controlled. Temperature and movement allow sugar crystals to form naturally. This stage turns liquid sweetness into solid crystals. It is a precise balance of science and timing. To fast, and crystals become uneven, too slow, and production efficiency drops. Once crystals have formed, the mixture moves to centrifuge machines. These high-speed machines spin rapidly, separating sugar crystals from the remaining liquid. The liquid byproduct is called molasses. Molasses is used in alcohol production, animal feed, and fertilizers. The separated crystals at this stage are raw sugar. Raw sugar crystals still contain moisture. They pass through dryers where warm air removes remaining water. The sugar is then cooled and graded by crystal size. This ensures uniform quality for packaging and sale. Finally, the finished sugar is packed into bags and containers. Each package represents the combined efforts of farmers, factory workers, engineers, and logistics teams. From the factory, sugar travels to markets, shops, and homes around the world. Sugar may appear simple, but its production is anything but. It is a journey that connects fields to factories, science to labor, and nature to industry. The next time you sweeten your tea or enjoy a dessert, remember the long journey behind every crystal of sugar. From cane to crystal.